Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope so you all are fine and safe and sound. Our next lecture is subject. What's our next lecture? Subject. Subject. What do we call subject in Urdu? File. Very good. What do we call subject in Urdu? Files. Very good. Subject को उर्दू में क्या कहते हैं? File कहते हैं. Good. What is subject? Subject क्या है? Subject is doer of an action. Keep this point in your mind. ये जहन में इस पॉइंट को रखना. Doer of an action. Very good. Doer of an action means क्या करने वाला? काम करने वाला. Very good. Doer of an action in a sentence. जुमले में क्या करने वाला? काम करने वाला. That is called word. That is called subject. Very good. क्या कहलाएगा? Subject. In a sentence whom we are talking about. या जिसके ऊपर क्या हो? बात हो. क्या हो? Talking यानी कि बात हो. कैसे? How like? Akram कौन? Who? Akram beats Akbar. Now, who is wasting his energy? Akram. ये बेचारा हॉस्पिटल में है अकबर, लेकिन डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन पहुंचाने वाला कौन है? अकरम है. Why? क्यों? इसने काम किया है. क्या काम किया है? Beating. So that's why Akram is called subject. Very good. Next is reading a book. Who is reading a book? Fatima. Very good. Who is our doer of an action? Yes. Who is our doer of an action? बोले ना कौन है? Very good. Fatima है ना. We are talking about that Fatima. That who is reading a book? Book is there, but reading by whom? By Fatima. So what's Fatima? Subject. Very good. Next, look here. Zubair and Aftab. Zubair and who? Aftab are doing what? Are learning English. Now look here. First subject is Zubair. Second subject is Aftab by the combination of and. So we are having how many subjects? Two. So that is called which subject? Compound subject. जब जुमले में दो सब्जेक्ट्स मिले यानी जुबैर कौन? जुबैर जुबैर प्लस आफ्ताब दो जुमले मिले हैं किसकी मदद से? एंड की मदद से. दैट इज कॉल्ड कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट. दैट इज कॉल्ड विच सब्जेक्ट? कंपाउंड सब्जेक्ट. कम टू नेक्स्ट थिंग्स. चेयर इज ब्रोकन. भाई टूटा हुआ है क्या? वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट whom? That we have a broken word, a broken chair. So tell me, we are talking about whom? We are talking about chair. About whom? About chair. So chair is a verb. Very good. Chair is called subject. Chair is called subject. Very good. Next. Fish lives in water. We are talking about whom? That which animal? Fish. What? Fish. We are talking about whom? We are talking about fish. So fish is called subject. Example please. Look here. Is a beautiful city. Which place is a beautiful city? Tell me their name. We are talking about whom? We are talking about Quetta. We are talking about Quetta. So Quetta is called Shabbas. Quetta is called subject. Same is the capital. Which we are talking about which place? That is the capital of Pakistan. So that is, yes students, that is Islamabad. We are talking about capital of Pakistan, that Islamabad. We are talking about Islamabad, that Islamabad is the capital of Pakistan. Is the capital? What is the capital? Then we say that Islamabad. We are talking about Islamabad. That's why it's called subject. We are talking about Quetta. So that's why it's called subject. We are talking about fish. That's why it's called subject. We are talking about chair. That's why it's called subject. We are talking about Zubair and Aftab, that's why it's called subject. We are talking about Akram, that's why it's called subject. Thank you so much.